How much should you actually spend on a rear view mirror with a backup camera? Some folks are satisfied with the cheap ones, while others swear by the pricier models. The truth is, price doesn't always guarantee quality, and that's why we're digging into the best options today. Product number 1, AutoVox T2 Rear View Mirror. First up is the AutoVox T2 Rear View Mirror camera, priced at $177.14. What caught my attention about this one is its sleek design that seamlessly replaces your original mirror. If you want a backup camera that feels like a part of your car, this is worth a serious look. This one-wire installation makes it super easy, meaning you won't have to wrestle with wires or take up your cigarette lighter. Plus, with its night vision capability and IP68 waterproof rating, you can feel safe reversing in any weather condition. It even recognizes license plates in low light. Seriously, that's huge if you ever have to identify someone. Now, some people have complained about the installation being tricky if their car model isn't listed. Here's the thing though, this might not be ideal for those who want a super simple plug-and-play solution, but if you're a bit handy, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a clean installation without visual distractions. Skip this one if you need something that you can install without any effort. For the price, it delivers solid value. Now, if that complexity bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach with a wireless installation. Product number 2, AutoVox T9 Rear View Mirror. Next, we have the AutoVox T9 Rear View Mirror camera, priced at $228.08. Right off the bat, the 9.35-inch screen grabbed my attention. If you want a wider view to eliminate blind spots, this one is definitely worth considering. The T9 boasts 1080p crystal clear resolution, meaning you can read road signs and vehicle plates with ease. It automatically adjusts its brightness for day and night driving, so you won't struggle to see anything behind you. Plus, it's got a loop recording feature, which is awesome for capturing any incidents when you're on the road. That means peace of mind if something unexpected happens. With a 140-degree viewing angle, you'll have a much safer parking experience. But I'll be real with you, some users found the installation process a bit cumbersome, especially if their vehicle isn't compatible with the bracket. That said, if you're willing to put in a little effort, the benefits far outweigh this flaw. This is perfect for you if safety and visibility are your top priorities. Skip this one if you're looking for something that just pops on and off without any fuss. It offers a solid return on investment for those who prioritize safety. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one has a super easy installation that might just win you over. Product number 3, AutoVox T1400 or Rear View Mirror. Finally, we have the AutoVox T1400 or Rear View Mirror, coming in at $164.72. This one caught my eye with its promise of easy installation without all the complicated wiring. If you dread wrestling with wires, this one is worth a serious look. It has an impressive wireless range of up to 164 feet, so you won't have to worry about losing connection while you're parking. The enhanced night vision is also fantastic, allowing you to spot objects even in the darkest conditions. This can genuinely make reversing safer and less stressful. However, some users have mentioned that the wireless signal could sometimes be unstable if you go too far. Here's the thing though, if you typically drive in urban areas, this shouldn't be an issue. But if you're constantly in wide-open spaces, it might not be the best fit. This is perfect for you if you want a straightforward installation and solid performance. Skip this one if you drive in areas where the wireless signal might be a concern. The price point makes it a great value for those looking to upgrade their safety without hassle. So to wrap it up, we've seen the AutoVox T2 for a sleek installation, the T9 for a wide viewing angle and safety features, and the T1400 for its easy wireless setup. Each option brings something different to the table, so it really comes down to your personal needs. Whichever you choose, upgrading to a rear view mirror with a backup camera is definitely a smart move for safer driving.